Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to install LED light, the one which no pack lights, LED pack lights. So we got new ones, but in a Chevy's pack it was difficult to do that because the space was a little bit smaller, and then we discovered that it's better we get a 10 spanner. You get me, any 10 which can help you to take out the light, then we do that. So these are the new LED pack lights we got, so I'm gonna put them for you. Gonna show you how to do them. So okay, that's fine. You open your car here. Okay, I'm going to get some. I don't have something to hold. Oh no. Okay, I've used something else here. It's fine. So now, this is what I'm gonna do. What I decided to do is to take out this light, the light, all of it. Okay, this is the screw you take out. It's a 10. So here down it got broken, so there's no need for me to unscrew that. So you can see the light went off even because I could not get the right thing. So sometimes to take it out you need to shift the battery. The battery, let me see the battery terminal. Okay, took it out. Okay, this is the reason why I could not take out the pack lights. You can see this one, it was giving us some trouble when you could put in everything. So now we got that working. You can see this light is a bit dirty. It's no more like the way it used to be when it was new. So we're gonna do that. Yeah guys, we're going to show you how to change the pack lights. As we said, what we do is I took out the light. So this light was giving me some problems. So these are pack lights. So this small thing here, it was difficult to change it when the light was in. So now this is what we're gonna take out. Then we put in one of these. You get me, on both sides. You get me. So it's very difficult. It's challenging to take it out when you are when the light is inside everything. So now this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna show you how to do that. This is what you have to take out. Then you change the globe. Yeah, so let me see. So guys, we did that. I'm gonna switch on. We did take out this from that, so I'm gonna change that. So but I'm gonna switch on that and I see what's going on here. Okay, okay, okay. Even our pack light does not work, only that light is the one which works. So I'm gonna switch it off. Yeah, since it doesn't work, as you see guys, we're gonna replace it. Let me switch on back. I wanna see something also. Okay, it needs the engine to be on, light. Okay, you can see one is working there. All of these are blown up, so I'm gonna change them. Both of them, they are blown up, so I'm gonna change both of them. Okay, that's simple, easy. Since we've taken out one, so we're gonna take out all of them. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So you're only gonna take out this, take it out because it doesn't work anymore. Yeah, you see, you just take it out like that. So I took it out. So since I took it out, you can see it's bent. Thing is bent, it doesn't work anymore. So I'm gonna change it to a different one. So let me see. Okay, I'm gonna take out these new ones. I'm gonna use the new ones. So the same thing, you can change also the headlights. You've seen there's nothing much major there. Okay, these LED lights are very good. So I'm gonna put them here. You just push in this. Yes, I've pushed in that, so I'm gonna light and we see what's going on. Okay. Okay. It seems to be not working. Something is going on here. So it could be the fuse. It's off, on, park lights. Okay. These are the normal lights. Take it out. Take it on. Check. It might be wrong. Okay. Check and see what might be wrong. It could be the fuses. Maybe the fuses could be the problem why the new park lights don't work. Okay. Phone fail. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna switch off here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, but now I'm gonna show you something which is amazing. Park lights were blown up. That's the way, guys, to replace them. So if mine don't work, simply means there could be something major, like fuses and stuff like that. So you can see when I pull it up here a bit, even lights you can see. Don't think you guys can see here. Can see it lights when I pull it out. So simply means mine, something is going on here. You can see now it's working 100%. So but then it shouldn't be on all the way. So there should be something wrong which is influencing this to work. So it doesn't work with the lights. You can see it's working. It doesn't work with the switch. So it simply means there is something super wrong on that. Okay, let me switch off and I see if they work. Yeah, you can see they work without the switch after the switch is off. Yeah, now guys, I've showed you that it's working. I'm gonna just switch on also the lights once, and I see if the park lights works when the lights are on. Okay, everything is working. That's a good thing. So good news, everything worked out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take back, put back everything, then I'll go to the second light. You can see the second light, the park light is not working. You can see that's the problem we have now. So the park light also there is blown up. I'm gonna put in a new one, then we see where to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and also I think that could be the only thing. Let me put it back. We see how it's gonna work. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna switch off everything here. Remember, this is your park light switch. This one, these are normal lights. So if you say park lights, it's gonna be in, but then if you come here also, or if also the park light's gonna be on and your light. So if you want park lights only, you put on this. Understand? So that's all. So we're done with that. I'm gonna put them back into, let me switch off everything. So I'm gonna put them back into what? Into the thing. I'm gonna put them back into, I'm gonna put this back where it has to be. You get me? So it must work exactly the way it's supposed to. So if you put it, sometimes it might not work. So what you do, you have to take it out first and test again. I'm gonna test again. If it works, then I'm fine. I can put in the light back. If it doesn't work, you see it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work? Because of it's a adapter where it is. It's something which you have to take out, something which you have to touch. It has a problem issue, but it's on. I'm gonna switch off here, then I switch on the park lights, then I try to switch that, because it's not something which is 100% fine. The switch is it needs to be touched whenever you're dealing with it. So that's why it's not working 100%. There's something with the wire here, something which is not working well. Something which is not working well. Sometimes it's on, sometimes it's off. I think, yeah, it needs a press up here. So yeah, I've realized that it needs to be squeezed here. So now that's my park light. I need to tie it with a tape or a rubber band. You get me? So that's the thing I have to do. If I don't get that, my park lights will never work. So let me see if I can get some rubber bands here. Yeah, I got one here, so I'm gonna use this to tie. It. It should work. Okay. So I'm gonna use that to tie it. I'll show you after. I'm putting the camera there, but I'm still on, guys. So I just need the rubber band here. But then the rubber band is a problem. Why? Because it's plastic, it's gonna be bent and go. So I need something like maybe a wire, a small wire. You get me? So I've realized that it's a plastic thing, so it's gonna bend and go. So you see it needs a squeeze up, so I'm gonna find something to squeeze here. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video when we do another video. So also, if you want to replace your lights, these headlights, you just take out this and then you find. So because these ones are still working, they are still in the socket, so you can take them out, then you're gonna be super cool. You just have to take this out. You see, you push this out and comes out of this, then you're gonna take, you can replace them.